Hello, everyone. My name is Adam Fahrizal, and I am a psychology student at Esongol University. Firstly, I'm going to tell you a little bit about my background. Currently, I'm working on a undergraduate thesis, which the ultimate goal is to look on the behavior of Indonesian road riders, specifically motorcycle users in Bekasi. What I really love doing is taking psychological ideas and applying them to real world problems to make things easier and reduce human errors. My main goal is to connect psychology with technology, using what I know about human mind to create better user experience and help them to work smoother. Yes, as you might guess, I'm now working as a UI designer at Osera Incorporate. I like to turn psychological research into simple, user friendly designs by understanding how our brains actually process technical information. From that, I build solutions that remove frustration and help teams work together more naturally. I'm talking about my own team in my company, the company that I work now. So, to show you how this works in action, I'd like to share a business proposal I created for Osera Incorporate, where I work as a UI designer. My pitch is about fixing the handoff process between designers and developers using clearer psychological based UX documentation. Right now, Osera engineering teams are losing about 15 to 20% of their time every quarter just because of misunderstanding between design and development. This confusion leads to delayed future releases, way too many revisions, and a lot of frustration to everyone involved. Well, sometimes even we got into argument or small fight, but we can sort it out. But that's just a short-term solution. So to fix this, I'm proposing an internal UX handoff toolkit which made specifically for our Agile workflow. So Agile is a workflow in IT company. So for this solution, I have three main parts, okay? A standardized component library that clearly shows how things should work, and then a design rationale section to explain the user's intent, and a quick 30-minute sync meeting between lead designers and developers before we start a sprint. Okay, so in Agile, there is a sprint because it's designed around how developers naturally process information. The toolkit will cut down a confusing and guesswork. Okay, design around how developers naturally process information. This toolkit will cut down on confusion and guesswork, like I said before. Early numbers show it could drop revision requests by 30%, speed up testing, and save each developer 6 to 8 hours every single sprint. That's time they can spend on actual innovation instead of fixing layout issues. So, my recommendation is that we have to test this, and I asking about 10 minutes at the next engineering planning session to show a working prototype and discuss how we can track its issue. So for now, that's all my pitch and my presentation. Thank you so much for watching this, and thank you so much for you that watched this video. I really look forward working together to make our product development better than ever. Ciao.